Welcome everybody to Very Important Geeks, and today we are doing a bit of a mail call because I got some things in the mail that I've been waiting for a couple of years now, some group buys that I put in for. I got, let's see, GMK Metropolis, round 2 I believe it was, and these novelties, very cool, super exciting. We'll take a look at that. And I got this package from RAMA, which I believe are the Duck Switches, so let's check them out. All right, let us take a look at this GMK Metropolis. We got these accents here. I really like how funky the colors are on the GMK Metropolis set. I love how bright and vibrant they are, and I kind of like that they're symbols on the novelties more than actual words, because then I can just place them wherever I want. Like, does this have to be command, or could it be tab, or whatever else I want? So I love the flexibility with that. They look really nice there. And typical GMK, you got double shot ABS with this one. The quality is pretty good, a nice sturdy keycap. What I don't like is they tend to leave the sprue marks on the outside, kind of, they're on the back so you never really see it, but I feel like they could do something better there. But that's always kind of a thing with a lot of GMK sets that I see. And let's check out the base set itself. Okay, unpacking. Yes, so I got the, I think this is just the base set here with the sort of teal legends and the navy body for the keycaps. And then you have the yellow and the red accents. I think it looks super slick. I love that. I don't know which board I'm gonna put this on. I don't think I have a really good board for this. My white tofu might not be bad. But yeah, so there's that. Oh, and there's more. Another layer, other keys there, so nice. Finally happy to have that. Now for the fantastic task, expensive task of trying to find a board to accommodate this. I'm just gonna mess it up. I'm gonna leave that alone. All right, now let's take a look at this RAMA stuff. Let's see. Fashion, we have, what is this? Sticker, I think it looks like their NFC key card. I think it's a sticker for their NFC key card. Sticker, fantastic. Give that to my daughter. These are the Duck linear switches. Let's check that out. Ooh, all right. That's how they look, pretty cool. Nice RAMA yellow there. Now these were made, I believe, so that they could be Franken-switched with a lot of other stuff. And these come pre-lubed from the factory. Oh, and they feel and sound pretty good. Wow, they actually feel well lubed. I normally don't trust factory lubes, but this one in particular feels pretty good, and this is how it sounds. That's pretty good, yeah, not bad. 5-pin, as you can see, usual linear. It's got the Cherry MX stems on it. And these are made by Gateron for RAMA. It's got the Gateron logo on the top housing there. So very cool, very excited to put these in something, maybe in combination with the Metropolis switches. Housing feels pretty good. Normally I lube and film my switches, but these come pretty well lubed from the factory. I'm actually pretty happy with the lubing on here. Doesn't feel egregious. And the housing feels pretty tight, so I'm unsure. I don't think I'll put any film on these. So I'll tell you what, it is very nice to be able to get a switch that comes from the factory out of the box, lubed without needing films, so I can just go ahead and put them in and run with it, because lubing and filming take such an amount of time. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that quick video. Just got those in the mail and was super excited to share it with everybody. I've been waiting long enough, a couple of years for these, for at least the GMK Metropolis. Been waiting for maybe a year, maybe 6 months to a year for the Duck Switches. But I should have dual shot keycap set coming in the mail soon, and I think Shashin is coming out end of the month, maybe sometime in Q1, so hopeful for that too. But as always, leave a like, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and until next time, geek out. bend that. And no, I'm just gonna mess it up.